Hello and welcome to a new video of Ride Review Video Magazine. We are today at the 1st May of 2021 at the Heide Park Resort, which is the first theme park and the only amusement park till now that is open in Germany. The Heide Park Resort went to court and then got the right to open the park under special circumstances. So we are looking forward to an amazing and long time wanted theme park visit, and now you can see some footage of the beautiful park, and we will see us later. So to be able to get into the park under the special circumstances, these circumstances are, for example, that you have to buy your ticket in advance online. They are dated tickets. You will need a negative COVID test result that you can do in advance for 24 hours before you visit the park, before the time you enter the park. This is the deciding time. You have the possibility to do the test in front of the park, which is a test station not from the park, but the park has the possibility to offer you this. But if you are not from Lower Saxony, where the Heide Park Resort is located, then you need to pay 18 euros per person. You can do the test 24 hours before at your home station or wherever you want to do. It's important that you do the test at a verified test station. It's not possible that you do the test yourself at home. When you're moving in the park, it's not necessary to wear a mask if you can have the distance from 1.50 meters between you and the others. So on larger places and larger ways, it's okay if you don't wear the mask. Of course, you can decide if you want to wear or you not. You have to wear the mask when you're standing in queue lines, whether they are queue lines from any attractions or roller coasters or the food stations or whatever. In queue lines you have to wear the mask, and in attractions you have to wear the mask. When you are in the attractions, it can be that they leave free rows so that the distance can be verified. The distance can be guaranteed. So that the distance can be guaranteed. And these are pretty much all the regulations that you have to watch when you come here. So we will now show you a little more roller coasters because you just seen some impressions of the other rides, and see you later for the conclusion, how the day was for us. So we are at the end of our day at Heide Park Resort, and finally it's time for a conclusion and a spider web in my face. Well, it's time for a conclusion. So honestly, the day wasn't pretty much different from other days than when we were here. Well, the difference are the restaurants are not open to get in, so they're just the snack bars open with hot dogs or fries. What was negative was that the queue lines of the snacks were very long, and yes, it was the peak time when everyone's hungry, but they have to work on this. But well, it's the first day. Maybe they will see that they need to open up more snack stores. And there was no beer. That's a very large mistake when we are coming. But well, the other difference between the other days when the park was open is the usual days when the park is open, that the stores are not open, the shops. So you cannot go into any shops, and there's just one shop that you can use. It's at the entrance of the park. There is the click and collect system, so you can just scan a QR code, and then you will have everything on your phone, and you can buy it online, and then you can collect it, I think, till 4:30 at the day. You can just collect it and take it with you. So what I've already said, the park visit was not very different from the other days back in 2020, where COVID was already there. And it's not really different from the days when COVID didn't even exist. So we had a great day. We made everything. We did all the attractions that we wanted to do. and the weather was very Nordic, northern German, but the park is not even responsible for that. So in the next videos we will talk about the attractions themselves, about the roller coasters and everything else, and you will see some more footage. But this was not the topic of this video because we wanted to talk about the COVID circumstances and everything. So that's it, I think. I'm out and see you in the next video. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.